For organizations and their stakeholders, social impact measurement, or SIM, plays a vital role in appraising, communicating, and legitimizing often hidden value that social ventures such as public healthcare may create. But how does SIM function outside of normative frameworks, or in places where SIM is at the earliest stages of use? By studying 152 social entrepreneurs in Chile's social sector, researchers found 4 novel approaches to social impact measurement, revealing a diverse and counterintuitive reality. While Chile has an active social sector, it has not yet agreed on relevant legislative and regulative arrangements to support its social enterprises and social entrepreneurs. Instead, the people involved in social ventures may look forward or inward to determine value creation, while others may look to the market and public for direction. For example, a clothing venture dedicated to collecting and redistributing clothing to those in need used GIS and software-based social mapping to determine how their venture helped the community, avoided local governments, and corporate partners who showed interest in the venture. But other enterprises paired tightly with the public and government sector, developing only social ventures supported by government agencies. As researchers study SIM further, they may be able to understand why and how social enterprises voluntarily choose to use SIM in contexts where the expectations for SIM are fuzzy and its benefits for social enterprises are not immediately evident. Wonder about the many divergent forms of SIM? If so, you may want to read this paper.